How am I able to do location tracking at eFlow? Well, in order to do this, first I've got to activate the location tracking feature, which is done at eFlow Designer. So let's move to eFlow Designer. At the Designer, when you right click and go to Settings, you see here the location tracking tool. When I activate it, I've got to save the process and then activate it. Now at eFlow, when I complete a task, eFlow will take my location. Let's open a new process, purchase request, same example, and let's just choose the project, new line, unit price, and I send it to approve. Now the task is assigned to managers, and when the managers run on the process, you will see the location feature which is active. When I click it, then I'll be able to see the location of the task that has been done. So in order to use this feature, you've got to run the browser over HTTPS.